Some Turkish dramas don't just entertain, they challenge your emotions and stay with you forever. From forbidden love to heartbreaking betrayals, these powerful stories will pull you in and never let go. And yes, you can watch them all with English subtitles. So let's dive right into the list. At number 10, we have Ujak Sahir, and its English name is Distant City. The story of this drama revolves around Alia Albora, who arrives in Mardin with her husband's funeral and their son to fulfill his final wish. But the city is ruled by her husband's powerful brother, Sihan Albora, who refuses to accept her story. Claiming guardianship of her son, Sihan's actions spark a fierce battle. With the help of Azim, a mysterious lawyer, Alia uncovers family secrets that change everything. Will she break free from this web of grief, tradition, and betrayal? Watch Distant City to see if Alia's silent storm can bring justice. Number 9, Pyasa, Market. This drama is about love, betrayal, and power in the dazzling yet dangerous world of the media industry. Munawwar, burdened like a wedding veil, gives up everything, including her faith, to save her family. Her journey from a small coastal town into the heart of media chaos reveals secrets that shake the elite. To see how far truth can go against power, dive into Pyasa. Number 8, Sahib Sizzler, The Abandoned Ones. The story follows 6 siblings, Ajay, Kamo, Jalia, Fidan, Sami, and Bam, who flee to Istanbul after their parents' tragic past resurfaces. Born of a forbidden love and raised in secrecy, their lives are shattered by a vengeful enemy. Now alone, they rely on each other to survive the harsh reality of the city. Can their unbreakable bond protect them from the storm ahead? Watch Sahib Sizzler to find out. Number 7, Karal Ke Bidders, If the King Loses. This drama centers on Kanan Baran, a powerful businessman trapped in a loveless marriage with Nadan. His world turns upside down when Fadia, a spirited young woman from a modest background, enters his life. As his control unravels, so does his kingdom. Watch Karal Ke Bidders to see what happens when the mighty begin to fall. Number 6, Hududsiz Sevda, Boundless Love. The story follows Halil Ibrahim Karsu, who returns to his childhood village seeking peace. But when his fiancée Yasemin is murdered by the son of crime boss Azadvian Leto, Halil turns into a man on a mission. His journey for revenge unexpectedly leads him to Zeynep, Azadvian's daughter, who may be the key to justice. Will love bloom in the middle of vengeance? Find out in Hududsiz Sevda. Number 5, Gonulda, Mountain of Hearts. This heartwarming tale is about Nehir and his cousins in the quiet town of Gadli, who dream of building an airplane. They finally succeed and attract a company's attention. When an engineer arrives to evaluate their invention, Nehir is stunned. It's his long-lost love, Lika. Will their invention lift more than just dreams? Watch Gonulda to find out. Number 4, Vakazadel Gonkela, Red Buds. This powerful drama is about Miriam, married off as a teen into a strict Islamic sect. Now a mother, she will do anything to prevent her daughter Kanan from facing the same fate. With the help of a former sect member and a secular psychiatrist, Miriam risks everything for freedom. Can one mother's courage outshine generations of oppression? Watch KZL Gonkela to see. Number 3, KZLCK Serbeti, Cranberry Sorbet. This is the story of Doa, who falls in love with a man from a conservative family, clashing with her own liberal upbringing. Their love is tested when Doa becomes pregnant, triggering a clash between belief systems, families, and ideals. Can love survive when the world pulls in opposite directions? Find out in KZLCK Ser Beti. And finally, at number 1, Insi Thanellari, Pearl Grains. This emotional drama follows Azem, a beloved teacher imprisoned for allegedly killing his wife. He hides a terrible secret and dreams of one thing, reuniting with his children around the dinner table. But after years behind bars, the road to redemption is full of pain and unanswered questions. Will Azem find his family, or just more sorrow? Watch Insi Thanellari to discover the truth. So, which of these powerful stories are you adding to your watch list? Let us know in the comments below, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More epic Turkish dramas with English subtitles are coming your way, only here.